बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। इय्याका नअबुदु व इय्याका नस्तईन। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला मुहम्मदिन व अला आलि मुहम्मदिन व बारिक व सल्लि अलैहि। Dear colleagues, this is the old female patient complaining of hematuria. So this is the left lobe of liver which is normal, and this is the right lobe of liver which is also normal. Now I am going to focus the left flank. Here we can see that this is the right kidney, this is the upper pole, mid pole, and here we can see that there is a mass which is infiltrating, invading the lower pole of the right kidney. The mass is isoequic to the cortex of the right kidney, and it has lobulated margin, internal tiny calcification. Here we can see these are the tiny calcifications are present, and mass is well defined from this region, and when it goes into the inferior pole, it infiltrate the lower pole of the right kidney. So this is typical for the renal cell carcinoma. ये इंगल्फ कर लेता है जहाँ भी ये किडनी को इन्वेड कर रहा हो। अब हम इसका जो है ना कलर फ्लो डाल के देख लेते हैं। You can appreciate that vessels are present, feeding vessels are present in the renal tumor. अब देखें ये आर्टीरियल फ्लो आ रहा है, इसका मतलब है फीडिंग आर्टरीज भी इसकी हैं. सो दिस इज द typical renal cell carcinoma. Patient may present with hematuria, and so we go for the renal scan mostly to see the uribladder, right left kidney. So this is the appearance of the kidney and mass, and further we should see whether the mass is extending into the vessel, veins or arteries. Here we can appreciate that both arteries and vein, renal artery and veins are intact, showing the flow. So still the mass is limited to the inferior pole of the kidney and perinephric tissue, and still not invaded the renal vein and renal artery. For ये ज़रूरी होता है हमें ये देखने के लिए ताकि कार्सिनोमा की स्टेजिंग हो सके. अब हम दूसरा किडनी देखेंगे कि बाज़ इट मे हैपन दैट synchronous lesion is present on the other side. यूनिब्लैडर को भी देखेंगे हम. Unibladder is empty, so we will wait for the. This is the unibladder. partially appreciated urinary bladder, so it is normal. अम्मा मेरे दो पासा करो ये So this is the second kidney. We can see that it is normal, no focal lesion is seen. Spleen is also normal, and I have already scanned the abdomen, no lymphadenopathy is noted. So this was the case. सीधे थे अम्मा, मैंने ज़रूरी समझा कि आपसे जो है ना शेयर कर लूँ. थैंक यू वेरी मच.